Howdy y'all. Today we're going to do a quick test run of the tractor, make sure it's all good to go. Check all our repairs out, make sure it gets all the gears, shifts around, drives. Just kidding, we're going to do with all the gears. Just go through gear 1, cruise around my farm a little bit in the night. There's a little cooler out, let it idle up, let it run. And that way we should get a good baseline of what's going on with it. So first we're going to do, get her in neutral. Don't want to be running her into drive when we get it started. Turn on our fuel. Oh yeah. Then we can choke the old lady. Pull the choke out. There she is. She's alive. Give the old girl a chance to warm up. Not super large, left to get her idling out. Babies. Shoot some good RPM. Let it cruise around. Just idle down, let it cruise. Got a little sound of that Continental revving up. Feel like I'm in a damn boat in the ocean cruising at night out here. Just gotta cruise a while. This thing walks on through the tall grass, don't it? That old giant tire fighting it. Oh yeah, baby. It's my new fence not putting up. Just cruising a while. Letting that baby eat a little bit out here. Driving like a dream. There we go. Good old girl. I let her run in a while. There we go. My PTO was spinning up for no reason. I turned it off. Look at that old fence line. Gotta love it when your tractor runs this clean out here. Good old clean running Massey Ferguson F40, baby. Can't beat that performance. Let's get her back to the farm shed and put her up for tonight. Gotta love the sound of a good old engine rattling up like that. See, all that hard work does pay off. Well, got to fix most of these gauges. Only the damn temp works and the oil pressure works. RPM don't work, and a new cable for that. Amperes kind of works sometimes. Gotta look at the grounds for that. So you guys will learn how to do that with me on a future adventure out here. Just idling around out here. Get a little more time to cruise and warm up a little bit. Oh yeah. See guys, you can't beat the way an old tractor rides. These old girls just ride different. A little bit rougher, no power steering. It's all about that man arm strength. Crank the thing around the old-fashioned way. They ain't got time for all that mess. See that, y'all? That's how you drive in the 50s and before. Just beating up all that old tall grass. We don't need to worry about that shit. Just idle on through to the other side. Old girl sounds good too. Idling clean. Running happy. Good oil pressure. Oh yeah. This is a tough old unit, guys. Tough old unit. See, it's all that hard work paying off. Keep it working to some things, and they'll pay off in dividends for you. Look at that. Just runs so smooth, so clean. See that, guys? Oh yeah. Gotta idle up sometimes. Let that thing eat some of that pressure. Alright, y'all. See y'all next time. Keep spinning the wrenches. Keep cutting that grass. Keep getting that ass. See y'all next week.